blades spin. Wood gone. The amazing power of industrial wood chippers. See the fastest tree shredders conquer massive logs. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible machines. Wow! This all-in-one wood processor is incredible. Sitting in the cab, controlling it all. Modern tech at its finest. The heart of this operation is the Bobber 80RM wood chipper. Don't let its size fool you. The Honda GX1 605.5 horsepower engine delivers consistent and impressive performance, making it the muscle behind this operation. Watch as the hydraulic grapple lifts a hefty log with ease. This smart pre-shredder breaks down large pieces before chipping. It's all part of the process. Ever wonder where all that processed wood ends up? How about hitting the road with this adorable little buddy? Sounds fun, right? While mulch is okay, you can't help but think there's gotta be a better use for wood this size. Maybe they could be turned into composite boards or even used for energy. Just a thought. For serious wood processing, look no further than the Petzolato PTH 1200E/660M. This tracked drum chipper is powered by a heavy-duty 375 horsepower Caterpillar C9 diesel engine. It boasts a maximum chipping capacity of around 15.7 inches in diameter and a wide 47.2-inch inlet. The drum itself is a hefty 26 inches in diameter and 47.2 inches wide, allowing for an hourly output of 70 to 80 cubic meters. These top-of-the-line chippers typically cost between $50,000 and $100,000. Impressive, right? A rotating, vibrating screen for wood chips seems like a smart way to separate out the fines and oversized pieces. Nobody wants inconsistent mulch or fuel. This technology probably saves a ton of time and labor compared to older methods. What kind of volume do you think a setup like this could handle in a day? Imagine the force hidden within that tree, like a tightly wound spring waiting to snap. Scary, right? But with the right knowledge and skills, you can control that power. This video shows why it's so important to learn from the experts and stay safe. Now, let me introduce you to the Willibald Shark EP5500. It quickly processes green waste, grass clippings, and wood trimmings, making it ideal for biomass recovery, composting, and municipal waste management. Powered by a robust MAN diesel engine, the Shark delivers power through twin heavy-duty V-belts, with load-sensing speed control optimizing performance for bulky materials. Material feeds continuously into the large intake hopper. A hydraulic roller bed and spiked upper roller ensure a steady flow through the 57-inch by 35-inch intake opening. At its heart, the Shark features a heavy-duty rotor with thick steel discs welded together. 48 swinging flails operate within these discs, employing a hammer mill-like shredding principle. A downstream screen ensures consistent output size, with interchangeable screens allowing users to customize the shredded product dimensions. Anything else you're wondering? The LT70 totally changed the production at the sawmill compared to the LT40 that we ran prior to this mill. I'm not making this up. That's exactly what the guy at the sawmill said. Watch this video. You'll see and hear the machine in real time as it turns white pine into 8x8 beams. The LT70 crushes the LT40 with a stronger motor, faster feed, and smart automation, making every cut a breeze. Welcome to the world of Palex Power Hundreds, a professional-grade firewood processor featuring proprietary technology that maximizes efficiency, productivity, and reliability when handling large trees. The automatic high-speed valve ensures a fast and powerful stroke every time. If the wood doesn't split immediately, the force automatically boosts. Big logs, more power. Small logs, more speed. The Palex Optimi system adjusts the splitting stroke length, doubling speed for smaller logs. Honestly, no one wants to end up in a mess like that. Man, that's a smart way to get that stump out. Who needs a huge machine when you've got some clever rigging? That little tractor's doing a surprisingly good job with that 35-to-1 setup. Pretty slick.
Look what I've done. The rigging sling is pulled apart.
Addressing environmental concerns within the wood processing industry often involves finding effective ways to manage waste. The Comptech 800 horsepower shredder provides a solution by converting poplar stumps into smaller forms, enabling recycling or use as renewable energy. thus reducing the environmental impact of forestry operations. Meet Luke, a man with a knack for turning junk into genius. Today, he's building a mulcher using an old washing machine drum. First, the engine. It still runs, but the shaft, the long metal rod connecting to the blade, is bent and unusable. Instead of tossing it, Luke cuts it down and reshapes the end to fit again.
Unusable. So I just want to
Now,
cut a hole
the drum.
in the bottom of this
He
drum.
cuts a hole for the shaft and
3
secures
holes.
it. This
So
will
I
be the mulcher's
This
body.
through the bottom. Lock it in place.
Next,
this
he
blade
attaches a
does-
cutting blade,
This is the one I
basically turning it into a giant blender.
use. Back to the strimmer.
The final step, testing. We'll find out soon enough. Here we go, folks. The Olnova 95DK steps into the ring, tearing through a bus body like a champ. Powered by a roaring cat diesel engine. Fuel efficient, quiet, yet a total beast. Twin shaft shredders are slamming at top speed with a tracked chassis dodging obstacles. Tilting hopper, loaded, overband magnet, locked on, touchscreen and remote in hand. This machine's a knockout. This looks like a serious piece of equipment for anyone dealing with overgrown property. Imagine tackling those thick bushes and small trees with ease. What's the biggest branch you think this could handle? Looking for a peeler that's as smooth as the finish it delivers? Look no further than Posh Leads. This beauty effortlessly transforms logs, boosting your productivity and simplifying your workflow. Enjoy seamless operation, adjustable settings, and impressive speed. With the Posh Leads peeler, you'll be saying goodbye to tedious log processing and hello to effortless efficiency. I wouldn't have believed a Timber Pro TL 755D could fell a big cedar like that with such ease. Beneath its sleek exterior lies the heart of a beast. The TL 755D is truly one of the most impressive feller bunchers I've ever witnessed. He's probably thinking about all the free wood chips he'll have for his flower beds now. Smart move. Check out this beast from Germany, the Mobile SSA 550. That clamping system? Pure genius. Imagine this machine with a high-speed chain feeder instead of that ram. Talk about some serious log processing power. And picture this, a built-in separator that spits out all the unwanted bits. But wait, there's more. A two-stage tumbler polishing the wood, sending it straight to a storage pile via conveyor belt? Dream machine alert. That Vermeer TR626 is super efficient. I can already picture the perfectly sorted compost, topsoil, and mulch coming off it. It's awesome how it handles so many materials. I'm thinking of all the landscaping and gardening projects that could use this setup. Definitely a time saver. You've seen raw power in action, but this is just the beginning. More mind-blowing machines are waiting to be unleashed. Stay tuned. because the next shredder will be even bigger, faster, and more unstoppable. Subscribe now. Don't miss the next beast in action.